When organizations are focused on growth, it's easy to miss signs of stress. How's the productivity, loyalty, and well-being of your people? If you're struggling with non-cohesive culture, suboptimal performance, or employee retention, let's look below the surface. Employees and team members are getting blocked. Your organization is functioning, but the people who power it may be struggling and finding creative ways to stay above ground. Maybe it's low self-confidence or uneasiness with change, fear of job security or unclear career development paths, isolation or lack of motivation, without clear ties between their work and team and company priorities. To help your people and organization thrive, it's critical to invest in your employees' skills and confidence in building connection. Connection skills up-level each individual's resourcefulness, generosity, creativity, and visibility. When your people know how to build and nurture high-quality relationships, your organization's roots, your people, become more interconnected. And you'll create new, long-lasting, flowing pathways and repair weaker ones to achieve heightened levels of collaboration, efficiency, performance, and innovation. This collective strength will get noticed, attract new business, partnerships, and top talent. Fortify your organization's overall deep-rooted foundational health and invest in its future growth by investing in connection skill building for the people who power it. Opportunities Knock offers a catalog of research-backed and globally adopted training programs designed to develop and strengthen connection skills for your people and organization, and it seamlessly integrates into your training ecosystem. For example, the Knock Method Outreach for Success course is a blended online learning experience on the communications framework to reach out to anyone in your career with more intention and for long-term value. It can be imported directly into your LMS or training platform for self-paced and live facilitated learning so cohort participants can build connection on the spot. Level up your organization with Opportunities Knock. Schedule a consult or request a training course demo at buildmeaningfulcareers.com.